Hello everyone, you're welcome to my class today. Today we have a problem to solve on the board. The problem is solve 2x plus y equals 8 and 3x minus y equals 7. Solution. Now there are different methods they can use to solve this question on the board. You can use elimination method or substitution method or graphical method. But for this class, we're going to use elimination method. So let's take this one as equation 1, take this one as equation 2. So now for us to we want to use elimination method. For us to eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 with 3, multiply equation 2 with 2. So if you are going to multiply all these terms, you multiply 3 with all the terms, then you multiply these 2 with all the terms. So let's take the equation 1. So that one will be 3 times x is what? 6x plus 3 times y is what? 3y. Then 3 times 8 is what? 24. So this one becomes equation 3. Next one is 2 times 3 is what? 6x. Then 2 times minus y to be minus 2y. Then the last one, which is 2 times 7 to be what? 14. And this one become equation 4. So we're making progress. The next step is we're going to subtract 4 from 3. We're going to subtract 4 from equation 4. We subtract 4 from, we take 4 from 3. So it's going to be equation 3 minus equation what? 4. So for us to do that now, this one will be 6x minus 6x, it will be what? 0. And the next one there is plus 3y minus 2y plus 3y minus open bracket minus 2y close bracket plus minus times minus is what? Plus, then 2y. So we add it together, this one becomes what? 5y. So here we have 5 plus 5y. Then 24 minus 14 to be what? 10. So we're looking for y. So divide both sides by what? 5. This take this off. So we have what? 2. So y is equal to what? 2. So we have gotten the value for y. Now the next thing for us to do now is to get the value for x. Now we can pick equation 1 or equation 2. We'll get the same answer to get the value for x. So let's pick equation 1. For the equation 1, we have 2x plus y equals what? 8. So anywhere we see y, we'll put 2 there. So we have 2x plus 2 equals what? 8. So we have 2x equals to 8 minus 2, which is equal to what? 6. So 2x equals to what? 6. So divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to what? It's equal to 3. So final answer is what? X is equal to 3. Now if you can decide to substitute it into equation 2, you also get the same answer. Now our final answer is x is equal to 3, while y is equal to 2. So this is the final answer to this problem. Thank you again once more for watching my class. Until I see you in my next class. Bye bye.